Hi everybody and welcome to this new episode of the Made from Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy and today I'm showing you another drumming using a mix of baby scratches and 2-click flares. Check it out. I'm starting by choosing a loop with different drum sounds. As a first exercise, I'm gonna add baby scratches on every single element of the loop. If you feel comfortable with this, you can start working on the pattern. And I'm starting from the kick, coming back on the snare using a 2-click flare. Alright, so once again, check it out. For the second part of the pattern, I'm gonna move forward using baby scratches between the elements of the drum pattern. So once again, when you move forward, you use baby scratches, and when you come back, you use 2-click flares. Alright, now let's add some speed to this.